If you understand English but struggle to speak fluently, this video is for you. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to explain why this happens. What is exactly happening in your brain when you freeze and how to fix it with a simple daily method. And don't worry, I'll keep everything clear, practical, and easy to follow. Most English learners follow the same pattern. They study vocabulary, they watch videos, and they learn grammar. So the understanding improves. But speaking does not improve at the same speed. And the reason is simple. Understanding English and producing English are two different skills. Your brain becomes very good at recognizing English, but not at producing it in real time. So when you try to speak, your brain starts doing too many things at once. Searching for words, building grammar, worrying about mistakes, and trying to sound correct. And because of all of this happens at the same time, you freeze. This is actually called cognitive overload. It's actually a thing. Your brain is overloaded with too many active tasks at once. In language learning, listening and reading are called passive skills. Speaking is an active skill. Your brain uses much more energy to produce language than to understand it. So if you can understand English but struggle to speak it, that does not mean you are bad at English. It simply means your speaking system has not been trained enough yet. There's also a well-known theory in language learning called affective filter. It explains that stress, fear, and perfectionism make speaking harder because they create mental pressure. So, the more anxious you feel, the harder it becomes to speak naturally. That is why overthinking interrupts fluency. The simple fix? Yep, there's a fix. So here's the solution. Hear me out. Stop trying to build perfect sentences in your head. Long sentences. Start using small, simple sentences instead. For example, instead of saying, I went to the supermarket and bought groceries for the entire week, break it down into smaller ideas. I went to the supermarket, I bought some food, I came home. Simple, clear, natural. At the beginning, fluency is more important than complexity, guys, because speaking is not only knowledge. It's a skill that becomes automatic through repetition. Now, here is why many learners stay stuck for years. They are inconsistent. They either study too much in one day or stop practicing for long periods. So the learning pattern becomes start, stop, restart, and stop. Do you see that pattern? And this destroys momentum because speaking is not built through occasional intense study. It is built through short daily repetition. Every 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it consistently. Now let me give you a method, guys, you can start using today. Listen up. Every day, describe your life in English. That's it. Really, that's it. For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee, and I check my phone, and I go to work. You already know your daily routine, So you do not need new ideas. You are simply practicing how to express your familiar thoughts in English. One important rule, hear me out, speak out loud, not in your head. Because speaking is a physical practice, guys. Your mouth and your brain need to both speak together. Many people, I will speak when I feel confident, they say, but confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after repetition. Every time you speak, your hesitation becomes smaller. Every day that you practice, your brain becomes faster. Confidence is a result of action, not the starting point. One more thing, guys. Do not worry too much about your accent, guys. Do not worry. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to communicate clearly. Hear that. If people understand you, your English is working. So focus on, hear me out, guys, clear pronunciation, calm speaking, simple structure, daily practice. Now I'm going to summarize what we've learned today. If you understand English but struggle to speak it, the problem is not intelligence or talent. The problem is lack of speaking practice under pressure. The solution, simple sentences, daily repetition, speak out loud, and avoid overthinking while speaking. Try this method consistently for the next 7 days and observe the difference. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let me know your experience in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to grab your cup of tea. See you soon. You deserve it.